You should be able to choose, you should be able to specify, and you should be able to buy that what you need. So this means modularity, this means scalability, and this means investment protection. If you're going to continuously innovate, then you need a solution which will live with you, which will grow with you. It is not something just which will work with the current product range, but it has to work yesterday, today, and tomorrow. We're going to decentralize system because our customers need a decentralized system. We would like to have only IOs, we would like to have IOs, servo drives, maybe frequency inverters, you would like to have operator panels, you would like to have PCs on it, and you may want to have multiple units of these being connected and talking to each other, and all these units may not even be installed on day one, that they may get installed as time passes. You know, the automation must work from the factory shop floor up to the boardroom. You know. Therefore, we have to look for protocols, we have to look for programming systems which will move ahead, which will serve today's purpose, but which will also grow for tomorrow's requirement. For each of them had a own programming tool, own software, which you had to download separately, and then you had to debug it when it is needed separately. But this classical structure no longer works, because nobody wants to maintain so many different softwares and then worry about their mutual compatibility over their generations as they evolve. Rather than that, you would want to have one bus on which all of them sit and all of them talk to each other, and that you would have one software tool which will work with all of them, which will operate all of them. Each of whichever network we do, we should base it on hardware which is used in also the office world. Because more number of people use it, more number of people will develop things on it, more number of people will improve it, and it cannot die. You know, which is Ethernet power link. When was this choice made? See, history always has a bearing on your decisions. We went for the choice of networks. Initially, our first choice was CAN. For B&R, the network of choice was CAN, because CAN is an open protocol, and it was widely used by the automotive people. So we said, there will be, see, ultimately, if there is a large user base, then the future security is that much better. Ethernet hardware. But the protocol